This is Beto Vargas reporting live from Bushwick, Brooklyn. As you can see here, the extensive damage that has occurred. I'm going to try to show you as much live footage as I can. This is damage that's irreversible, as you can see. Cats, everyone's going crazy. You can see we're fully prepared here with everything we need to survive the Hurricane Irene that has just passed, but you never know. As you can see here on the streets of Bushwick, Brooklyn, the damage is extensive. Hurricane Irene pounded this particular street, making it appear as if it is an actual street of the ghetto. Irreversible damage, and quite sad. No! Fear is everywhere in the streets of Brooklyn. Thousands of cop cars patrolling the area looking for a Dunkin' Donuts, and boy did they find one. Damage everywhere. Cardboard boxes under tires. These signs bent almost in half. Actually, it's been like that since I've been here. Viewers of the world, once again, this is Beto Vargas risking his breakfast life to give you these scenes of post-Hurricane Irene here in Bushwick, Brooklyn. It's time now for my Hurricane Irene breakfast, which will consist of eggs, tomatoes, and sliced meat because all the stores are closed.